But generally, most lenders will pass it on, and the disparity between the lenders who pass on the full rate cut versus those who are passing on a partial rate cut is important to people because that directly flows into the borrowing capacity with those lenders.
If it is the case, Steve, just thinking about that, and you're on the receiving end of a 0.15 instead of the full 0.25, for example, is it worth coming back, obviously, to someone like yourselves to try and renegotiate that for you? Because obviously that's money you feel like you're getting robbed of when you're on the other end of that, I guess.
Absolutely. I didn't want to turn this into a promotion for loan gallery refinance capabilities, but I thought
You can thank me later,
it
though.
is
Oh, 1-300, right, yeah.
1-300, get a better loan. It is exactly why you should be talking to your broker regularly. It's also one of the reasons why we have a dedicated team who review the interest rates of our existing clients every 6 months. So for our customers, they don't need to worry. We're going to do it anyway. It's part of the service that we offer to our clients. But if you're just a normal home loan customer with someone else, jump on the phone to your broker, have a chat to them around what this cut means for you, and are you getting the full benefit of it? And if you're not, talk to them about doing something a little bit better for yourself. Because let's face it, the banks make enough money. We don't want to give them any more than we absolutely have to.
Absolutely.
That's good advice, yes. And I think, Steve, before we actually jumped on, you'd said that your appointments had skyrocketed this week since the announcement.
Yes, they had. So we undertook a couple of activities, but even separate to that, we've seen a significant spike in the appointment numbers for our brokers off the back of the decision by the RBA. And I think that shows that people are very, very interested in the topic of the cash rate, precisely because it impacts their home loan interest rate. And we've seen a lot of activity off the back of that movement.
Yeah, it's good. So, I mean, regardless of the home building part, Darren, it's just more good info for people. They've got a mortgage or they're thinking about going to buy established or build something new. This is the first step. Go and work out where you stand and what your capacity is and if anything's changed, I suppose.
Absolutely.
That's really good advice. Yeah.
Absolutely.